Scrapping Grandpa's at it again. I loaded up my trailer last night with most of this stuff. All of it given to me. Didn't pay for anything. Matter of fact, some people gave me money for picking it up for them. So that's pretty cool. I'm headed to the scrapyard. Let's see what we get. This is Tuesday. Hell, I don't even know what the date is. Scrapyard, which is only about 15 minutes from my house, maybe 12 to 15 minutes, which really makes it nice. I'm not sure as I get the best prices here, but for as close as it is and the convenience, it's worth it to me. It's the first time I ever ran into any of this traffic, but I don't normally do scrapping in the morning. I just happen to have some time to do it. Oh, I guess that's a school. So when I get this stuff, which I am loaded back there, you see my trailer, I mean loaded. When I get this stuff, I always take it apart. Take the aluminum off of it. I take the brass off of it. And believe it or not, I seen a video that somebody showed about silver on appliances. Every appliance that I have found so far has silver on it. So I've been taking them little silver beads off and saving them. Hopefully I'll get a whole bunch of them one day and I'm just gonna sell them all in one lot. I'm here, getting ready to pull in and see what we got today. Guys, tell me. Got a good load on here today. Good load and everything. I stripped these things down. I cut every piece of copper off of it, every piece of aluminum off of it. If I could get it. I thought, and I didn't know it's an exhaust pipe. I thought it was stainless steel, but he said no. So I think it's working. Little skinny scales. Although I seen an 18-wheeler back up on these scales. He backed up. So if he can back up, damn if I can't pull forward. I just don't have a lot of room back there, as you see. All right, wait for the red light. Yes, sir. Got my weight. Pull it right here and let these boys take this stuff off of here. I could dump it, but these guys can easily. All right, we ain't got the magnet today. Wonder if this guy's gonna take it off. That's scary. Look at this thing. Making room for me to dump. The guy knows how to run that thing. Damn! Look at that shit. Wow. 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 Woo, that thing is a beast. Damn! That thing is a beast. Wow. Whoa, look at that. Woo! I love it. Man, that thing gets stuff. Oh, shit. He's gonna drag it out of there. Look at here. Look at here. Well, he can be gentle. Out of there. Look at that thing. It's a beast. Oh, I love this part. I love about this part. Yeah, look at that. What the hell else is in there? Goes up. There he is. Oh, it's a different one. Uh-oh. Something fell off the side. That ain't good. Look at there. Oh my God. Somebody that you don't let them drive your trailer. Some people don't know how to drive a trailer, and they'll just drive on that thing not even thinking about anything. And they gotta remember they got a trailer back behind them. And that lady just dragged her trailer on here and went right over the side. They had to pick it up with a magnet. All right, you got my weight. That means we go around. Now I got to give him the rest of the stuff. I got other things in the back of the truck that I'll be dropping off here. I got some batteries. I got some air conditioning coils, some compressor motors, miscellaneous stuff. All right, now the good part. All right, this is the rest of the stuff I got. I got one battery that I'm gonna tempted to hold on to because it looks so damn new. And I haven't tested it, so I'm not sure why I got it. Somebody gave it to me, so I'm gonna test it before I throw that away. Got some compressor motors, AC coils, and batteries. I'm not letting that go neither. I got to see what's going on with it first. This is the good stuff. Got rid of the big stuff. Now we're gonna get rid of the good stuff. You can't beat $218.50. Had a good load down there today. Nice little ticket right there. Show me the money. So $218 and some change. That's not a bad day. And I say that because everything that I got was free. And I got a little bit of gas money involved in that. So let's say we spent $40 on gas. That's still $178. $178. I probably have, to be honest with you, because I tore the things down and took all the good stuff out of them. So it took me a little bit of time to take it down. But the thing about that is all the good stuff I still have at the house. So there's still a lot more money left in my pieces. So tearing this stuff down and let you know, I want to thank one of my YouTube people that I watch. Apparently not that much because I can't remember his name. But he showed me where there was silver in all appliances. And actually, I've been finding silver in a lot more places than he showed me after he showed me that. So, yeah. Check out silver recovery from appliances. And I think you'll find something that will interest you. If you're the kind of person that likes to tear things down and take the little pieces apart and separate everything. Some scrappers, they get a washer, they bring it to the scrapyard and they drop it off. Me personally, I take everything. I take everything that I can think of. They'll take the cord off and scrap the rest. I take the motor off. I take any brass off. I take any of aluminum off. I go all through all the electronics because I watched a video on it, and I remove all the little bits of copper that are in the components that have the little clickers in them. There's not much copper in there, but if you start adding this up over the years and just put it away, it's not going to take up much space because it's small. It will really add up in the near future. And also, anywhere where you see them small components, watch the video on how to recover. Oh, we got blinking lights here for school. How to recover silver from appliances and other things too. And a matter of fact, since I seen that, I'm going to make a video on that myself, because I did see a video on it, but I also have seen since then, or personally, a lot more silver than what they showed me on the videos. So I'm sure there's a video out there, but I didn't see it. But I did see a couple of them and it made me interested. which made me start looking around on these machines. And I'm gonna do a video on that myself. So be watching for my silver recovery from appliance videos. And I'll show you, oh, not just appliances. I mean, it's literally almost on everything. Air conditioners, appliances. They're probably, I'm guessing that you will find one on an iron. I mean, an iron, okay? So I'm gonna, I have an iron. I'm gonna take it apart and see if I can find one. And so if that's something you might be interested in, check out my iron removal part. I'm gonna see what's in the iron. I'm not talking about just iron steel. I'm talking about an iron from an ironing board, the iron itself. I'm gonna take one apart. Again, I'll say this, I've only got a few videos on here, but there's gonna be many more. I'm a scrapper, that's what I like to do. It's in my blood. I've done it since I was a kid. I didn't do it for maybe 30 years because I grew up, got away from my dad and just didn't do any scrapping. But now that I'm getting a little bit older, I'm finding the love for it again. So be watching, and I'll show you and share with you my love for scrapping and the things that I've learned throughout the years about the precious metals that are in appliances. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that thumbs up button if I'm helping you at all, or if you like my videos. Thank you.